Hi everyone, it's Yanami and welcome back to my channel. Color WOW gifted to me through Octoly this beautiful shiny goodness that is supposed to transform your hair from dull to shiny and mirror-like coat, and we will test it today. Will it actually work? I have for you my dry bleached hair and we'll see. This is my hair before. Let's do results comparison, and I will just like spin around so you can see. I will ready. Spin. Like a slow spin. Well, I hope you can see all my hair stuff. So here's my hair before and prepare for afters. It's a heat activated top coat that's supposed to last up to 3 washes, and it's supposed to make your hair shiny and glossy and mirror-like. Shampoo, condition, towel, dry hair, dividing section. Spray liberally and evenly on damp, not wet hair. Okay, so for this kind of stuff, I can use products that I also got from Octoly that WOW Pro sent it to me. So I will go shampoo, condition my hair and come back in a minute. Before I went talking about Octoly, I got GrandeLASH serum from them as well. I mean, like, my lashes right now, I will go a little bit closer. They start curling upwards, and it's after 2-ish months of use. So I didn't use any curler, and now they're looking longer and they definitely have a curl on me. So that's a good one. I will keep you posted. And I'm back! I washed my hair with my all-time favorite Redken Color Scented Purple shampoo. This is really good and it's like soft, and it's also brightening hair pretty well. And with Joy-Calm Moisturizer Repair Conditioner, they both like lifesavers. I cannot have good hair without this stuff, but with, I can like bleach my hair over and over and over again. Don't do it with your hair if you're not willing to take a risk. But if you will, try this. Really good. Now when I towel dried my hair, I will use blow dryer. WOW Pro curler that WOW Pro gifted to me. Oh, gross. My hair through Octoly. That's how you know that I use it. It says large. And I will use WOW Dreamcoat to make my hair shiny and sexy and glossy and mirror-like. My beautiful baby Adam took the cap off and I don't know where it is. And since got it, you can screw it off. And I will just pour some of it in spray applicator. Ooh, liquidy. They say to section your hair and spray it evenly, so that's what we will do. I want to focus on ends because it's the most damaged part of my hair. Every blonde struggles. Brush it through to make sure that I did a good job. With these brushes, it's really good that this pink stuff, when it's heat activated, then it turns to silver. Flour can actually get my hair. Now let's prepare for the noise. When it's coming back to normal temperature, it's getting pink again. That's how you know. I really like this about this brush. So far it feels really good on touch. It feels like softer. I think as a single person production, especially at home, it will be way much more easier to do it with an iron. So I took my Remington iron and I will warm it up. I feel like probably I need way much more of it because I have such dry hair. Okay. We can deal with that. It feels so good. I mean, right? So before we start with second part, I feel like with iron temperatures higher here, since this stuff is heat activated, I feel like I by myself at home don't do a good job on myself with a brush and with a hair dryer, because I like need to stand behind it. But with iron it's perfect. You just like grab section, pum pum pum, and it's all heated. Direct action where it's needed to be and just in the way it needs to be, because I'm trying to activate the stuff and to try to soak it into my hair more so it stays there longer. So I feel like iron do a better job for it than brush with a fan. In my opinion, in my hands, by myself. Maybe you will do a better job with a brush. Let me know in the comments if you do. I'm also following on Instagram this like magical hairdresser from Sweden. I have a lot of hairdressers friends by myself. I have Christina, I have Dana. They're awesome. But first ever like hairdresser that I discovered and whose work I would be like, oh my gosh, how did she do that? Was blonde balayage, obviously. So it was a Sweden hairdresser. She's using this product on her clients. Hair of her clients always looks so sleek and so good and like so creamy, buttery, shiny, and she uses this stuff too. So I was like, I'm like so glad I picked it up from Octoly, especially this kind. Let's see what it will be if little socket in it. I want to see like would it be shinier or doesn't matter. I hope it will be shinier. It costs I think like about like $28 or something like that. So it's not so bad. Even if I will overuse, I can go buy by myself. Look at that. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! It feels so good. Gosh. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. This Dreamcoat is something. It feels like so glossy and so liquidy. Look at that. Oof. Thank you Color WOW and thank you Octoly. This is like amazing. That is before and here is after. It feels good. Gosh, it feels so good. Hi. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me comments down below. What do you use to maintain blonde hair, to keep it shiny, glossy, touchable and lovely? I see you guys in my next video. Bye, I love you. I recently discovered Sephora eyeshadows and I'm so freaking shocked because they're so good, the ones that I picked. Oh, I want to quickly share with you something before you go. So in Sephora you can get free birthday gift on your birthday, and like each month different birthday gift for a whole month. And I went there and it was like Drunk Elephant set or Kat Von D set. Like, thank you, not Kat Von D set. But like, oh, I want to like swatch some like Sephora eyeshadows and they're so good. I was so shocked. And now they right now they have it's June 7th, 3 days before my birthday. So June 7th, they have promotion buy 2 get 1 free, and it costs $8. Look, I will quickly do that. You see that? It's in my outer corner over here. And then Unicorn Business is in the middle, and then To the Moon and Back from here. And I use it with Fairies eyeshadow base. You can use any eyeshadow base. You can use my Painter Poet eyeshadow base. I really do like a lot Ulta eyeshadow base. I don't like Millennium eyeshadow base. I don't like NYX eyeshadow base. I had something else and I didn't like it either, but Ulta eyeshadow base is pretty much super close to MAC and to Fairies base. I have Fairies base on me, but Ulta is good. It won't be a waste of your money. Okay, thank you so much for watching it around. Bye. I'm beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring me down. Oh no, 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 no. I'm beautiful in every single way. Words can't bring you down. Ooh. So don't you bring me down today.